So by now you have read the book and you've watched a number of videos. You've also looked at my little Python notes here. So you should be ready to try this lab out. What I want you to do is just create a very, very simple script that prints out the words, "This is a test." You don't need to put the input function in there yet, because what we're going to try to do is run it without the input function, note what happens, and then add the input function and run it again. Now, to do this, what we need to do, let's see here. We open up Windows Explorer, or they call it File Explorer in later versions of Windows. And I'll go to the Python class, and I've got this test py file, and if I were to double click on it earlier, if I double click on it, it runs. But I don't know if you can see it because it's actually popping in really, really high on the screen. But the command window opens and then immediately closes, and that's what I want you to note. So I want you to be able to double click on it, watch it kind of flicker on the screen, then add the input and try it out. Try it again, double click on it and see what happens. Should be pretty easy to do. Mostly it's just kind of getting you used to running through the labs, so made this very easy. But give it a try and think about how it's working and why it's working the way it does.